So you want to start a YouTube channel for yourself, for your brand, or for your business. In this video, we're going to help you get your channel up and running in under 5 minutes. So let's get right into it. And luckily the process is very easy and we're going to walk you through every single step. So the first one is to go over to YouTube. And then here, if you don't have a Google account, you'll see this in the top right, which says sign in. Then click that. And we're going to go through the process, assuming you don't have a Google account. So then scroll down and click use another account. And then from here, click create account. And then you have 3 options: for myself, for my child, or for my business. We recommend that everyone clicks to manage my business for a few specific reasons. Clicking this creates a branded Google account, which has a few advantages. First is that it allows multiple people to have access to the YouTube channel and contribute to it without having access to the exact email itself, which is really nice to have. Plus, as a branded account, you also can make your channel name different than the name attached to the email as well. So you get a lot more flexibility here. So go ahead and click to manage my business. Then go through here and add your information. Again, this name will not be the channel's name, so don't stress, just add your name. And then your email address. So assuming that you don't have a Gmail address, we're gonna have to create one. So we'll go through and click create new Gmail address. So you're then gonna have to type in a username for your Gmail, which is the first part before the @Gmail. And we're gonna try bunnymedia.test321. Let's try that. And if it is taken, it'll say that this username is already taken. So you can try to find a mix that isn't. So we're good here with bunnymedia.test321. Then create your password and then move on to the next step. Click next. And then here, we're gonna fill out some information for Google so that you can recover this email if you ever have to down the road. So we're gonna type in this, have a recovery email, then your birth date. And then from here, click next. This will then bring you to verify your phone number. We're not gonna do that right now. And then here are the privacy and terms. Go through, scroll through and read all of these. And then once you have, click I agree. And then from here, your Google account is all set up, but we don't want to go through and finish all the business stuff. We want to create the YouTube channel right now. So we're going to click not now. That will then bring us back to YouTube, which you can see now looks a little different because we now have an icon in the top right corner, which we need to create the channel. So if you go through and click that, you then need to do a very important step, which is create a channel. So click that. And then from here, you're going to want to name your channel. So again, with us picking a branded account, we can make the channel whatever we want. So we're going to go with Bunny Media Test. And then click create channel. So at this point, your channel is already created. And then by clicking customize channel, you can come through and change all of your different branding elements, like your profile picture, your banner image, as well as video watermarks, and even your channel name too. If you ever do want to change that, because we do have a branded account, you can simply come into basic info and then change that name right here as well, extremely quickly. So at this point, your channel's already created. You're now officially a YouTuber. Congratulations. But before we get too far ahead of ourselves here, there is one important step that you need to do to really maximize YouTube. And you need to do this because this step will allow you to create custom thumbnails for your videos. It will allow you to upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. It will allow you to live stream as well as appeal content ID claims. So this is very, very important. You really can't maximize YouTube without doing this. So there is one more step. And to do this, go to YouTube Studio. You can click the little icon on the top right, then click YouTube Studio. Then once within Studio, we want to click Settings. And then from here, we want to go to Channel, and then feature eligibility. So how we get access to all of the things I just mentioned is by going through and clicking this, and we need to verify the account. So we want access to all these features, and you can see that right now we're eligible, but it's not enabled. So to do that, we're gonna click this right here, and then you need to verify the channel with a phone number. So go ahead and do this. And then from here, you can get them to text you. I prefer text rather than a call. You just put in your phone number, click get code, and then one will be texted to you. You can see I've already received right here. Then just simply copy that code, come back, paste it in, click submit, and your phone number is now verified. And you've now verified your account, which gives you access to all those features which you will need to maximize your YouTube channel. And that quickly, when you come back to YouTube Studio, you now have access to all of these features because we verified the account. So you now have a YouTube channel that you can use to grow an audience and grow your business. And if you're looking for more help with growing your business online through digital marketing, be sure to subscribe to this channel because we post here weekly to help you do just that. And if you're specifically looking for some more social media marketing tips for your business, be sure to watch this video that we just linked right here, where I walk through all of the different platforms and their pros and cons so that you can decide where you want to show up to get more customers and more fans for your business. So go ahead and click that right now. I'll see you over there.